Family Health will pay the state of Arkansas and the federal government $6.5 million in settlements. We're glad you're with us this evening. I'm Laura Monteverde.
Well, good evening. I'm Bob Clausen. This comes after years of investigation by the state attorney general into alleged Medicaid fraud by some of PFH's former employees.
Cassandra Webb joining us live from the Capitol, where the announcement was made just a few hours ago. Cassandra?
Laura, some former employees of Preferred Family Health are accused of stealing over $3 million from the state. And that's just something that Attorney General Leslie Rutledge says is not going to happen on her watch.
A multi-million-dollar scam of the Arkansas Medicaid program busted and put to rest.
This is a very exciting day to close the chapter.
Some employees of the mental health care organization are accused of cheating the state, all behind their computer screens.
Employees at PFH figured out a way to get through the edits and to push through billing that was not authorized by the system.
Plugging in whatever numbers they wanted and getting paid more than what they were due.
They used this open system, which DHS had been unaware of, to push through what are called crossover claims.
But an informant and PFH employee wouldn't stand for it and filed a complaint with the AG's office in 2016.
These allegations involved inappropriate billing by an individual therapist.
And the whistleblower wouldn't quit. Just over a year later,
the informant again contacted the Medicaid Fraud Control Unit with additional information about PFH inappropriately billing an entire class of recipients called qualified Medicare beneficiaries.
The Attorney General's office admits this case had unique challenges.
The records and the data that DHS had from what was submitted was not enough by itself to discover what had occurred. We did over 100 interviews, collected more than 2.5 million documents.
But finally, justice for the handful of former bad apples within the PFH system.
My office will not allow anyone to take advantage of vulnerable Arkansans who need medical treatment and health care.
Now, PFH doesn't operate any more facilities in the state of Arkansas. We reached out to their headquarters and they sent us this statement just a few minutes ago, actually. It reads in part, quote, "The misconduct of former employees is disappointing. As part of the agreement with the attorney's office, PFH has a comprehensive compliance program to ensure consistent, responsible practices." Bob and Laura.